them one than chef B. The one now then pissing me they ain't one chef B. So chef B come one than chef B. I'm gonna do something. But guys, yeah, you get chef B, call it chef B. Some chef B, some guys AY no samba, AY. Some guys chef Mooney, like Hali. Can we zoom into the food, please? Like we can like, can you like show the food? Some guys Holland food, yeah. His name is Gravy. AY, they oh, Holland gaan we gewoon eten van gaan we maar Zimbabwe. Ja, maar dit gaan maar ik Zimbabwe. She shot me. Kijk, them se decoration, decoration money. So guys, now you want AY no something. Like that hit a lot. No. So guys, en jij gewoon aan die van deze kwam AY no something. Gaan we posten pimo dat ze moeten vliegen niet AY no something gaan. Kijk. Waarom chef B money? Waarom chef money? You can say hello to the vlog.
Hey, what's going on?
Alright.
Egan.
Ja, die Glenco. Wow, dat vooral toedoen. Zo, guys, we gaan we binnen gaan. Kijk, we gaan niet. Wie vind toch? Wie reed? Bulumbi, pas me jij lo. Je gis ne lo gaan naar de guys, die ben nog eens ben in plaats. Gis ne lo ben ik gis jij doen. Gis ne baby house. Daarmee dat ze me TikTok daarmee daarmee dat ze me TikTok, maar doe ze me TikTok. One is me guys TikTok. Guys, doe lichaam. En ik doe alleen guys doe gaan niet doen me dan. Niet gaan. Guys, daarmee wacht, dat is me YouTube. Inshallah guys. Holland, in gis ne good. Guys, this day prepare. So you want to listen to it? Oh yeah, you want to listen to it. Guys, you listen to it. Steady the camera, bro. Guys, deze push someone nice. Omdat ik sitting by because doing I'm in TikTok for me. Boy for the money money. Hold fish me. La ilaha illallah. Sitting down Muhammad Rasulullah. Boy, Wally sec. So this video be Wally. Dim yalla, Holland me, man. AY no samba, but he's sitting back and saying, Holland. Yo, smell me the funny. We are Holland feet, Holland president. Come now, inshallah, some of my family. Beach day in them water park. They them cliffen, they gonna neck. Ja, maar gonna gaan. Holland. Holland chef B. Look at the chef. He's going crazy. What's this?
This
Talk
is
to me
like
about
a little sweet Thai chili sauce right here. With some bell peppers, parsley, and a little bit of secret ingredients.
Oh.
Which I can't say, you know.
We guys. En wacht, dat is zijn ingredients be. Ja, maar kunnen gaan.
Let's go look at the birthday girl.
Okay. Ga je dan zo met jij? Ik dan misschien jij. Alles jij. You ready? Oh, never mind. But you just listen to set that. I don't know if I know y'all gonna ask me to commentate me. But anyways, some guys listening to me, or we can show the baby, we can show the person that I least hope, you know, yes. Look at my sister. I least hope everything, you know, everybody there, you gotta take my sister too. Thank God I'm in the house. Anyways, that's all right now, because after this we're gonna show the afterward food. But I already showed y'all in the beginning. Yeah, I'm gonna give a messy boy. Damn it, on Chad Holland guys. Yes, yo, Ma, let me see, Ma, what you got? Ma, what you got? Get up. That's for your mom. My mom, yo, my son Babaka drift out. Alright, we not gonna speak about it though. We not though. Yeah, we gonna keep it here. Like, oh yeah. Y'all know the vibe, Chad. Yo, record me, Chad.
Oh my god, look at the shoes.
Hey, some guys, my guys, look at the food. Oh my god, mac and cheese though, rice. Oh, lamb chops. Oh, yes, look at the chef doing his thing. We appreciate it. Life. Oh my god. Alright, look at my mom, the birthday girl, man. The birthday woman. I know right there, I can see right there. My boy, y'all. Name them, how you feel? Name them. sis. Yes. Yes.
And I'm about to
Cinema
eat.
gang. Oh, for real?
I'm going to eat.
Y'all heard what she
I'm
said?
going to eat.
Be like,
I'm going straight to the fish.
ah, Cinema gang, look at our sister. Yes, look at the baby. Yes. I like the outfit. Oh my God. So, how you feeling, Cinema gang? Yes.
Oh yes.
Guys, like inshallah. Guys, big link up for my sister, my older sister. Y'all see already. This is looking very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Say, my chef. For the money, he ain't hot day for the money. No. No. My chef, how you feel about chef? How you feel? Good. Oh my God. How you feel about my birthday? Got down the guy. I guess. Like, Hold on, guys. Hold on, moment cham. One cham the photo. Hold on, more TikTok. Some guys. See, more TikTok the photo. Some guys. Oh my God, man. We are. Anyways, y'all see this chef. Y'all see what's going on. Yes. It's really getting nice. Alright. That's what I wanted to do today. I ain't lying for them what to do. Y'all see, probably posted TikTok today. Guy, abule. My God. Hey, Masha. Hey, nice. How you feel about, bro? Assalamualaikum sama guys yi gis ne pizza bi dafa neexoon barki Serigne Babacar Sy yéen ngay gis yi fruit si crayfish si ak sa white rice lamb chop jerk chicken bi ak jën si nata vegetables ak mac and cheese ak rice of beans am nañ si kër gis bi sa bool bu nool boobu noonu nekk felle ba yaa ma gën a xam lekk bi dafa neexoon barki Serigne Babacar Sy non dama ñëwaat bëgg a dem jël axte ma gis axte bi jeex na ak lamb chop ba wax ne lii la mu doon te dama waaru sax ba gars yi lekk bi dafa neex tamit sax xool leen ma wala lekk bi xool leen. What's about to go on? What's about to go on? Oh.
Alright. Ready? Alright, so for tonight's... Alright, guys, so...
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, so for tonight's dinner, we have 2 appetizers. Right, so we're going to start at that end. We have some jerk lobster flatbread, mango paint crescent crab cake. We have a fruit salad right here, fruit platter. We have some white rice. This is Jamaican oxtail. Herb roasted lamb chops. We have some Jamaican jerk chicken, sauteed asparagus. We have some grilled fish, grilled red snapper. with some sweet Thai chili sauce, baked mac and cheese, and also some Jamaican rice and peas. Y'all enjoy.
Yes.
And also on the side right here we have some sauces, different sauces. This is the jerk sauce, and this is a little bit on the spicy side. It's a escovitch Jamaican sauce. You can put it on the fish. It's a little bit spicy.
Thank you
Y'all
so
enjoy.
much.
Yes.
Thank you, Chef and Tea. I did amazing.
Thank you.
Yes, my mom get the first bite, y'all.
Thank you.
So me, I want the first bite, B.
So the escovitch is for the fish.
So me, I want the first bite.
Like kilo.
Yeah, and this is for the jerk chicken, but you could also add it to your lamb chops or your rice, whatever. Yeah, but not so spicy. Mild. Oh, okay, good.
Thank you.
We are more chum. Okay, so guys, dama bëgg gaaw cook dama bëgg gaaw maa ngi nii di lekk damay wax lekk bi 10 out of 10 maa ngi nii di daanu si lekk bi but tamit you know the video is not even about the food, the video is for my mom today because that video was for the anniversary. So right now I'm just talking real quick to tell y'all the food was a 10 out of 10. Hold the next scene B.
Thank you so much, Mamita. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mamita. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Hey, please give me a job. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Shout out to my man OZ.
Open it and see it.
Wait, what? Open it. That one.
Acha anchu kaile.
You need Jour, guys. You need Jour, man. I told you it hits, bro. You need Jour. What you said, man?
Welcome baby is crazy.
Come give me.
Go to the Navy. He was the first one who sent me a lot of money for my gift.
Serious right now, bro. Like, you out, like, stop trying to be bitch, don't be bro, stop.
There is day 2. This is day 2. Thank you guys. We go get to the next.
This is kind of move.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
Thank you guys for the vlog. And this all Yeah.